In this video, I'll show you how to add a promotional banner on your Wix Studio website. It's going to be completely free of charge without any credit card needed, and to get started, I've added a link in the description that you need to follow, so do make sure to click that to follow along for this tutorial. As you can see, there are loads of templates to choose from, and you can customize every single one of them to match your branding, and even see how the different features work by clicking around on the widget. Now, if you haven't already, the first thing you're going to do is click the link in the description below. You can simply copy and paste the link right into your search bar, or what you could also do is search for Elfsite. That is going to bring you to this website where you're going to go to the top menu and hover over widgets. From here, you want to go to the e-commerce section, and down below you will find banner. Be sure to click on that so we can get started. Next, you want to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. To expand the window, simply press an F11, or what you could also do is on the corners of the window, click on the expand arrows. Now the first step here is to choose a template that's close to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding or similar. Just pick the one that's closest to what you're looking for now. And for this demo, I will go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click on Continue with this template at the bottom left corner. Now, you'll be taken to the page where you can start customizing your widget, and on the left-hand side, we have about 3 options. On the Builder section, this is where you can change the blocks or even add an element. To do that, simply click on the Add Element button. In here, you can choose from one of the elements that are available. What you could also do is arrange these blocks in a specific order, and to do that, hover on one block, hold and then drag, and you can drop it into wherever you want it to be. What you can also do is on the 3 dots of each and every block, there will be the Actions button. You can either edit, duplicate, hide, or even delete. And if you click on the palette, you can change it to be a color, gradient, image, or video. And if you choose a color here below on the corner radius, you can set it to be square corners, rounded corners, or even circular corners. On the layout section, this is where you can change your layout from a vertical to a horizontal. And you can also change the width to be a bit bigger. If you wanted to take up the whole screen or whole section, then you just set it up to the maximum. On the height section, you can change it to by content or by not, and you can add a custom height. Below, you can also change the content alignment, and if you click on the top left, you can choose from one of the corners. If you prefer to be in the middle of the left, that is something that you could also do. Below, you can also add a padding, as well as a spacing for the elements or the blocks. And at the bottom, you can even customize this on mobile. And once you're ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click on the Add to Website for Free button in the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you need to either sign up or log in into Elfsite if you don't already have an account. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen in just a second. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top and right corner and click on the big green Publish button. From here, you'll be taken to this page where you need to choose your plan, and because it is completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and select the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on the gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page, and from here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code on the right-hand side. And now it's time to head back to our Wix Studio Website Designer. Once you are on your Wix Studio Website Designer, the first step here is to decide which section you want to add your widget to. I want to add a new section, and to do that, hover in between 2 sections, and then click on Add Section. Below, you want to choose Add an Element as your starting point. On the left-hand side, you want to go onto Embed and Social. Simply click on that one. And on Embed Code on the right-hand side, you want to click on the plus sign to add to site. From here, you want to go to the top and click on Enter Code. And on the left-hand side, you just want to make sure that we are working on a blank slate, so anything that isn't here, be sure to delete that. Once you're done, press on Ctrl V to paste the code. And at the bottom, click on Update so we can view the changes. Once you've done that, you should be able to see your widget. And on the corners of the frame, you want to hold these circles and then drag in order for you to expand the widget. The point is to expand this in a way that it would take up the section. One thing that I want to add is how you can remove the scroll bar without going back to outside. I have here a personalized code that I have shared with you in the description of this video. Simply head over to Code to remove scroll bar, highlight the start until the end of the code, right-click, and then click on Copy. Now head over back to Wix. In here, you want to click on the widget, and then click on Edit Code here above. Once you've done that, you want to go to the very top, click on Enter, and then at the very first line, you want to press on Ctrl-V to paste the code. And once you're done, simply head over to the bottom and click on Update so we can view the changes. The next step is to preview the site, and to do that, head over to the top bar, and on the right-hand side, simply click on the eye to preview. And as you can see, we now have a promotional banner on our Wix Studio website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.